If you've ever wasted hours skimming a 100-page PDF, manually blurring sensitive data, or copy-pasting text into random AI tools just to make sense of it, here's the simple solution. Use one AI-powered PDF editor that does it all for you. That's exactly what Wondershare PDFelement is built for, and it's honestly the only AI PDF tool you'll need in 2026. It takes everything you expect from a pro PDF editor and adds an AI brain on top, so your documents actually work with you instead of against you. You can still edit, convert, sign, and manage PDFs like normal. But now you get AI Summarize, chat with PDFs using models like GPT-5 and Gemini, professional translation in over 75 languages, grammar checking, smart redact, batch sign, batch crop, AI Read Aloud, AI content detection, and knowledge card, all inside one interface. PDFelement is a one-stop PDF solution powered by AI. It's fast, smart, and affordable, and it works across desktop, mobile, and web. So whether you're a student, educator, business professional, or just someone who lives in PDFs all day, it drops straight into your workflow. Let me quickly show you what that looks like. I've got a long research report open on the desktop version. Instead of reading it line by line, I click AI Summarize, and in seconds, PDFelement pulls out the key points, main arguments, and conclusions. Then I open the AI Assistant panel, toggle between GPT-5 and Gemini, and start chatting with the PDF. I can ask, what are the top 3 risks in this report? Or, explain this section in simple language. And it answers based only on the content inside this document. Now I add a couple more PDFs to the chat. PDFelement lets me summarize and query multiple PDFs together, so I can ask cross-document questions like, what's the common theme across these reports? Or, which contract has the strictest payment terms? And it synthesizes everything for me. For global work, AI Translate is a game changer. I take this English finance document and translate it straight to French without breaking the layout. I can choose Express mode when I just need speed, or Professional mode when quality really matters for things like contracts, financial reports, or technical manuals. If you write or review a lot of content, the PDF grammar check quietly cleans things up. It scans the document, finds grammar issues, and suggests edits to improve readability and fluency, which is perfect for theses, course materials, proposals, and reports. For privacy and compliance, Smart Redact is huge. Instead of manually hunting for names, emails, or ID numbers, I run AI Redact, and PDFelement automatically detects and blurs sensitive data, helping you move toward GDPR and CCPA-compliant redaction without hours of tedious work. Then there are the workflow boosters. Batch Sign lets you apply signatures across multiple contracts at once, which is perfect for HR onboarding or closing a bunch of deals in one go. Batch Crop lets you clean up margins across a stack of scanned pages with a single action. Add in AI Read Aloud to have your PDF read to you, AI content detection to quickly understand what kind of document you're dealing with, and Knowledge Card to surface key info without digging through every page, and you've basically got a smart layer on top of everything you do with PDFs. All of this lives in one modern AI PDF editor that's clearly built for how we actually work in 2026. Instead of juggling different apps for editing, summarizing, translating, and redacting, PDFelement pulls it into a single AI-powered workflow. If you're still stuck with old-school PDF tools, now is the time to upgrade to the AI era. Use the link below to download Wondershare PDFelement for free. Try AI Summarize, chat with your PDFs, run a translation, or test Smart Redact on a real document and see how much time it saves you. If you want more deep dives into AI tools and productivity tech, hit subscribe and drop a comment with how you'd use an AI PDF editor like this in your own work or studies. I'll be reading through your ideas, and I'll see you in the next one.